Hello dudes and dudettes. We are on an early Saturday morning run. It's 20 past 7, sorry. And we're coming out just for 3 or 4 hours this morning. Earn a little bit of extra cash, which this job is great for doing. And our first job has just come through and we're heading on down to Morrison's in Killingbeck. There's a little Morrison's local down there. So we're gonna head down there, pick up the order, and yeah, get on the Saturday morning grind. Put your seatbelt on, get a cup of tea, and yeah, let's go get some orders in. Right, just quickly coming on here because while I was walking in, we got another order, and it's a well-paid one as well. And it's from the same place, Morrison's. So I thought, why not? Why not just pick that one up as well? Because that would make sense. So here it is. We're off. Right guys, that one's delivered.
That claim's rejected.
That was epic. That was a long drive. I'm in deep south at the moment. Middleton way. Is that deep south? I don't really know. But we've got another job now back up in Halton. So we're going all the way back to the east again. I don't know the way from here, so I can't do the footage unfortunately because I need the sat nav. But I'll see you when I get there nonetheless. Bye. Right, that's, God, I've got to learn to turn it off. That is that one done. So that was the Tesco's, and we are now in, where are we? Whitkirk sort of area, Colton sort of area. And the job's just come through to a co-op in Woodlesford. And I don't think I've filmed down that way before. I might have done, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's where our next job is. That's where we're off to. Let's go. We've done the Woodlesford co-op job. I've got a bit of footage down there. I don't know if I have been there before or not. Anyway, we're in Swillington now, and I've got to try and find my way out of here because I haven't got a clue about any of it here. So don't know where I am. The east, I know that much. We'll find our way out though. There's always a way. Let's go. Right guys, we found our way out of Swillington somehow. And now we're on the way to McDonald's Killingbeck to do a little £4 something order. McDonald's be kicking off on a Saturday morning. Did that stop recording? I don't know. Anyway, we're off to McDonald's. I'm just in Crossgates at the moment. And then, yeah, McDonald's time. So, as always, buckle up. And I'll see you there. Right, that's that McDonald's done. I went to the wrong house. It was 1.5, not, it was 15, not 1. I just didn't see the 5. Need to get these eyes checked, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there's a little cat. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. He's a beautiful little boy or girl. He looks like a boy. It's a boy cat. I'm going to say it's a boy cat. Right. We haven't got a job now, so we're going to go and have a little drive about. We're in Seacroft Massive. Let me hear you down in the comments. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit when the next job comes in. Right, the Sainsbury's Chapel Allerton has just come through the pipeline, so we're going to go and do that one, because I don't want loads of McDonald's come through. So Saturday mornings, Sunday mornings, McDonald's United, but blimey, you want to stay away from McDonald's, I tell you. It's a bloody nightmare. There's just so many orders, and some McDonald's don't really care about the drivers that much, really. So they're kind of just like not really paying attention unless the managers are there. If the managers are there, they're on the ball. The manager's like, come on. But if the managers aren't there, and most likely, I'm guessing the managers aren't going to be there on a Saturday morning. But yeah, I braved one just because I was going past it. But if I can, pretty much I'll always avoid McDonald's, really. It's not worth the time and the stress, the waiting around. It's just too... Anyway, on to Chapel. Onward! Right guys, we've picked up the first Sainsbury's and now we are heading on to the next Sainsbury's. I said it was Co-op, didn't I? I've lost my blimmin' mind. It's not Co-op Chapel Allerton, it was Sainsbury's Chapel Allerton. And now we are moving on to Street Lane Sainsbury's. So 2 Sainsbury's orders, but in different locations. So yeah, it turned into a double order. That's what I like to see. Let's move. Right guys, we've done those 2 Sainsbury's orders and we're going to call it quits there for our little Saturday morning excursion. We went pretty far today. I went deep south, didn't I? I went deep east, or not deep east, middling east. We went up to the north a bit. Didn't go to the west today, which is quite strange. That's where I spend most of my time. So yeah, we've done all 3, well, not all, but we've done 3 corners of Leeds today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you got to see maybe some places you wanted to see on the old dash cam footage. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it. I'm nearly at 100 subscribers now, which is mental. So yeah, when I reach 100, wow, I'll be stoked. But yeah, until next time, fellow travelers, you can now unbuckle your belts and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, guys. Peace.